happening with my Jupyter? Why is it's not showing me the graph? This is correct for this. See, this is correct. This is correct for.
This is also showing wrong, yeah.
Yes. So what is happening? Or I should like run the NumPy and pandas again.
Yeah, you can try running it again.
I run the limit now. It was not working anymore. Why is it not working anymore? Many things they happen. Me, I even have like this GPT software. It's just like I don't want to use anything GPT. I want to just use my head to understand the thing and do it. You see here, this is like from GPT. See, it did all the thing. You see? But the thing is that like this is not like the method that they teach us. Like,
Yeah, tell it to do the method they teach you. Tell it to do the method they teach you.
yes, that's. Like this EBS, there's no this one in like in the way they teach us. So what I'm saying is that like the method they teach us now is not giving like the hypotrochoid something hypotrochoid.
Ask other people how they did it. If
the other guy, like I asked him like that did it, like he just like left it like that. Maybe, but like let me ask this MBA, but I don't know. Maybe now it's talk. But let me just message him and see. He even told me like I can come so that I can come to his room so I can maybe study in his room. But I was not able to go. He's online, let me just call him direct. Hello, Tambir.
I'm online though, so whatever you...
How are you, bro? Are you done with the assignment? Bro, why are you fucking so lazy doing assignment? Yeah, like I was able to do like the first question, like the second question is the one that like I'm having some issues with. The second one, yes, the second one, like, yes, call it what is it called, the graph, like it was just showing like something like maybe values, like some values like that, like it shows me like something like maybe what I call it a nine, like it's just like a line, like a okay, okay, maybe I can go to his place to finish up with this thing. Please do
but we expect that there are no LAMP ports yet. So what we need to do, we need to airdrop LAMP ports to the PDA account. How we can do it? I showed you the airdrop in the previous lesson. Just let me copy this from my example that I have on the second screen. And this is basically airdrop instruction that I reuse. So airdrop on input, there is connection, address and amount. By default, I use this huge amount, and then confirm transaction and request airdrop. I reuse this often, so let me call the airdrop in this part. So the first thing, as I said, connection. So we can obtain connection from program, provider, and connection. And 500 and PDA a console address. Let me open the second bash. And next lesson, I think. And in this lesson, address and confirm to use. In this case, okay. Let me double check. Here, but this should be alright. Ackee signer seats, bump is also just. Alright, transaction signature, that is nice. Let me open the second bash. Transaction signature, that is nice. Let me open the second bash. And, CD program. Then anchor, then Solana test validator Solana. Okay, dash. Okay, it is starting. Let me close this. Okay, it is started. So let's go to the Explorer, custom RPC. And let me insert transaction signature here. So the first thing that should immediately pop or bump to your eyes is the success. So the transaction actually passed successfully. And let me increase the text. So yeah, as I said previously already multiple times, you can see timestamp, finality, it is or confirmation status, it is finalized. But what is more important is that, for example, this part here, you can see that the fee pair, this fee pair is automatically inserted by the anchor, so not that important for us. This account actually pays for transaction fees. What is important for us is this one. This account is actually the receiver of the one sold, so that means that's you can also see it here, signer, and the account was writable. And this is the PDA, the third account, which the account got here. import, and let me increase the text. So yeah, as I said previously already multiple times, you can see timestamp, finality, it is or confirmation status, it is finalized. But what is more important is that for example, this part here, you can see that the fee pair, this fee pair is automatically inserted by the anchor, so not that important for us. This account actually pays for transaction fees. What is important for us is this one. This account is actually the receiver of the one soul, so that means that's you can also see it here, signer, and the account was writable. And this is the PDA, the third account, which has its balance decreased, so from 500 to 499, and it was writable. Then you can see the instructions. So this is unknown instruction, as we do not have uploaded IDL. So that means basically we can see the third account, which was system program. These are the instruction input data, not that important. But what is important, inner instructions, and this actually defines the cross-program invocations performed in our program. And you can see that we performed the system program transfer. You can see program, which was basically system program, from address, and then to address, which is the signer, from is the PDA, and transfer amount in sol, so that's why the one is here. And you can see it was successful. Greetings from program A, so that's what we entered in the message macro. What might be also important, if we open this account, you can see that this account is the signer account, which holds one sol. Alright, let me go back. Let me stop the validator. And I was talking about the other option, which is invoke, not invoke sign. So let's do the same, but to show you the difference, let's call only the invoke. It will tell the different other option, which is invoke, not invoke sign. So let's do the same, but to show you the difference, let's call only the invoke. It will tell us that it is not imported, so let's import it. And let's forget about the signer seeds. Let's comment down this invoke signed, and invoke does not sign the cross-program invocation on behalf of the PDA. So we are not approving the transfer here. So let me see what will happen, or let us see. So once again, let's perform anchor test. Okay, we can see some error message here. Processing instruction 0 cross-program invocation with unauthorized signer or writable account. You can see, or